Did you know that for over 30 years, 2% of residents in Taos, New Mexico, have been hearing a sound that doesn't exist? They call it the Taos hum, a low-frequency buzzing that drives people to madness. Some have even taken their own lives trying to escape it. Scientists brought in sensitive equipment. They found nothing. No sound waves, no source, complete silence. Yet the humming continues. Is it secret military testing? Underground facilities? Mass hysteria? The government has investigated for decades with no answers. What's really happening in Taos?